Hello student, welcome back to IBS. Today we are going to learn about statement of cash flow part 2. Let's jump and understand it one by one. So now we are going to learn about the classification of cash flow. As we know, cash flow has three different classification. First one will be operating cash flow. In operating cash flow, we actually wanted to know about the cash flow related item with regard to company's core business operation like receipt from customer, payment to supplier and employee. These are the things. Then investing activity we have discussed it. Then we have financing activities related item. In investing, our target is like how much we are going to buy asset and how much company we are going to do the acquisition, and we are going to buy share and property kind of thing. Okay. And financing, we want to generate the capital. Also we can sell some kind of repurchase of stock and borrowing and repayment of debt. Okay, this is all related to company personal stock, bond and repayment of debt. And here we are investing in other company also, or if we are selling other company in whatever we have invested, if you want to sold available for sales security kind of item, so that will be your investing part. So now we are going to learn about a statement of cash flow. What does mean by net cash flow? The sum of cash flow from operating, investing and financial activity when you are adding all together equal to the net cash increase and decrease and cash equivalent during the period. You have net income 100, okay, and operating activity when we have adjusted, so we got it somewhere around 50. So after the adjustment of operating activity, we got 150, and then you have investing activity. So maybe investing activity we are getting 20 minus. After adjusting investing activity, we got cash balance as a 130. Then we have financing activity. In financing activity, we might have finance 20 more. Now your total is 150. So this is the 150. So when you have, we'll check into your balance sheet cash at beginning balance and cash ending balance. Your cash ending balance may be 300 and your cash beginning balance was 150. So 300 minus 150 would be 150. So this is what your cash flow is saying. This is very important whenever somebody will told you to how we can match, okay, whether prepared cash flow statement is correct or not. It is correct or not correct. How will you match? You can match only by this way: cash ending balance, make it different way, ending balance 300 and your cash opening balance beginning of the period was 150. If you reduce that, you will get the balance amount. This balance amount will be the same based on this cash flow statement. Their ending balance after based on net profit, then operating activity adjustment, investing adjustment, financing activity adjustment, whatever you will get at the end result, that will be the same. I hope it is clear to you. Then we have some other point like non-cash investing financing activity. What does it mean? Definition: activity that do not involve actual cash but impact on investing or financing activity. For example, acquiring asset. We are acquiring asset through debt financing. Okay, if acquiring asset through debt financing, so there is transaction between debt financing and asset. Your asset will increase, your debt will increase, but this transaction has non-cash item. Okay, so it will not reflect in your cash flow statement. And where the loan proceeds are paid directly to seller in exchange of asset without cash transaction. So this is a kind of non-cash investing and financing activities. This is not influencing your cash flow, but that is also not our intention. We are not interested to know about this point of view. Just wanted to know with regard to cash. That is why his name is cash flow statement. And for example, we have discussed reporting. These activity are disclosed in the note of the statement of cash flow. When you have prepared your cash flow, net income, operating activity, investing activity, financing activity, and then their amount, then whatever you final amount you got, then after below or side by side you can mention the notes with regard to this kind of non-investing and financing activity related notes. You have to update whatever transaction you did. I think I'm done for the day. We'll see you into the next session. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.